G'day ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to Chef Blake's Home Cooking Show. On today's episode I'm going to be using Ruby chocolate to create a stunning breakfast treat. Check the description below for today's recipe cards and make sure you stick around to the end. Wasn't that great, guys? And you know what? It tasted fantastic too. Ruby chocolate is derived from the ruby cocoa bean and was developed by Barry Callebaut between 2004 and 2018. Due to the use of citric acid in the manufacturing process, the chocolate has a profile of sweet and sour and flavours of raspberries, lemon and cocoa butter. Massive shout out to the Chocolate Box for being pretty much the only place in Melbourne that I could buy this stuff off the shelf, so you guys are bloody awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, thank you very much for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe and hit the bell if you enjoyed today's content, and I'll see you next week.